In today's tech-driven world, businesses must have digital environments to thrive. These environments enable companies to store and process data, interact with customers, and perform critical operations online. However, configuring these digital environments is a complex task due to the numerous interconnected components and systems that must work seamlessly together. Misconfigurations in digital environments can create vulnerabilities that bad actors can exploit to gain unauthorized access to systems. These vulnerabilities can lead to data breaches, financial losses, and damage to a company's reputation. The more vulnerabilities present, the higher the cost associated with protecting the data and maintaining a secure environment. This creates a significant financial burden for businesses, especially if they lack the resources to continuously monitor and fix these issues. Our attack surface management tool is designed to scan digital environments comprehensively. By identifying potential risks and vulnerabilities, it generates detailed reports that provide actionable insights. These reports help businesses understand where their digital environment is most at risk and what steps they can take to mitigate these risks. Our solution leverages a Google Cloud native platform, which integrates a variety of security-based tools. These tools are invoked to analyze the attack surface of the targeted digital environment, providing a robust and scalable solution for businesses of all sizes. The cloud platform ensures that our tool can handle large volumes of data and perform complex analysis quickly and efficiently. The data collected from the scan is processed using a hybrid Linux and Python pipeline. This pipeline ensures that the information is transformed into an easily digestible format. The results are then visualized in a user-friendly dashboard using advanced visualization techniques. This dashboard provides an overview of the security posture of the digital environment, highlighting the most critical issues that need attention. Our tool captures and analyzes vulnerabilities in digital environments, providing businesses with a clear picture of their security posture. We create visual representations that showcase the most critical issues, making it easier for decision makers to prioritize and address these vulnerabilities. By improving their BitSight scores through the actionable insights provided by our tool, businesses can reduce the costs associated with protecting sensitive data. This improvement in security posture can lead to significant reductions in insurance premiums, potentially up to 50%, provided the discovered vulnerabilities are addressed.